Hello everyone, and thank you very much for tuning into this video today, which in this video we're going to talk about solving systems using Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule is a method used for solving systems by using its determinants. Let's start in two dimensions. Starting with the system that we see here, there are three determinants that we need to know. First, the determinant of the xy coefficients. Second, replacing the x column with the c's. And third, replacing the y column with the c's. And once we take those three determinants, it's very simple to find our answer. It's the determinant of the x matrix divided by the determinant of the original matrix for our x value, and the determinant of the y matrix over the regular determinant for the y value. And those would be our answers. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of these to see how it works. So let's start with our original coefficient matrix. Our determinant would be negative 20 minus negative 6, which is negative 20 plus 6, or negative 14. Okay. Our dx matrix would be, if we replace the x's with 10 and 11, we would get negative 50 minus negative 22, which is negative 50 plus 22, or negative 28. And then in terms of our y matrix, we replace our original y's with 10, 11, so 4, 3, 10, 11. We would get 44 minus 30, or 14. So therefore, our answer for x is going to be our dx over our d, which is 2. And our answer for y is going to be our dy over d, which is negative 1. Our answer is 2, negative 1. Number 2. So again, we'll find our original determinant, 3, negative 5, 2, 1. And that's going to be 3 minus negative 10, or 13. So our dx matrix would be 8, negative 4, negative 5, 1. And that would be 8 minus negative 20, or 28. And our dy matrix would be 3, 2, 8, negative 4. So it'd be negative 12 minus 16, which is negative 28. Okay, so now to find our, oops, wait a minute, I did some math here wrong. Negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20. So it should be 8 minus 12. It's 8 minus 20, which is negative 12. Sorry about that. Little user error there. So our answers then are going to be negative 12 over 13 and negative 28 over 13, which are both not reducible. So that's it. That's our answers. Negative 12 thirteenths, negative 28 thirteenths. So it seems pretty easy so far, but obviously it's going to get quite more complicated when we get into 3 dimensions here. So 3 dimensions. There are now 4 determinants we need to know. Our original determinant of our original coefficient matrix, but now our determinant replacing the x's, our determinant replacing the y's, our determinant replacing the z's. So you can see each one has replaced with the answer matrix there. Then our answers are the same. It's the dx over d, dy over d, and dz over d for our final answer. So let's take a look at this one. So let's start with our original D matrix. That's going to be negative 1, 0, 1, 2, negative 1, 1, and 1, 1, negative 3. Now remember, to find a determinant of a 3-dimensional matrix, we take these and plop them outside there. So that's going to be negative 3 plus 0 plus 2 minus negative 1 minus 1 plus 0, which is negative 1 minus negative 2, which is negative 1 plus 2, or 1. All right, now do a little cheating here. Our dx matrix, we're simply going to take the x column and replace it with our answer column. So 4, -3, 1. All right, so dx is going to equal 12 plus 0 minus 3 minus -1 plus 4 plus 0, which is 9 minus 3, or 6. All right, now we're going to place our y's with our answer matrix. So 4, -3, and 1. 4, -3, and 1. That's our dy matrix here. So our dy determinant would be -9 plus 4 plus 2 minus -3 minus 1 minus 24. So it would be -3 minus -28, which is 25. Okay, and we got one more to do here. All right, so we'll do this last one in purple. How about this purple? All right, now we're going to place the third column, the z column there, with 4, -3, and 1. So our determinant, our dz determinant is going to be 1 plus 0 plus 8 minus -4 plus 3 plus 0, 9 minus -1, or 10. So then our answer is going to be 6 over 1, 25 over 1, 10 over 1, which of course is just 6, 25, 10. Okay, so from here, I would encourage you to pause this video, try the rest of the practice. There's a lot of mixed practice after this. Try the rest of the practice here on your own. And when you're done, you can come back and check your answers. Pause the video now. All right, here are the answers, one slide at a time here. You can pause this video as much as you need to on each slide to kind of see each slide for as long as you need. Here's slide 2. Some more mixed review here, nothing on what we learned today in this slide. Slide 3, so here's the Cramer's rule stuff that we learned today in 2 dimensions. Slide 4 of practice, there's the 3-dimensional Cramer's rule. Next slide, some more mixed practice. And we got one more slide to go. Again, you can pause this, rewind this video as much as you need to check your answers. That's it for today. Thanks as always for watching my video, and we will see you again next time.